Casting in Unreal can feel unnecessarily confusing, but today I'm going to break it down with a simple analogy you'll never forget. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what casting is, how to use it, and I'll even show you real examples to properly solidify your understanding. Imagine you have a box named vehicle. Inside it could be a car, a bicycle, or maybe even a boat. You only know that it's some kind of vehicle. Now, let's say you want to turn on the air conditioner, but only cars have AC. So what do? You open the box and check. Is this a car? If yes, then great. Now you can use the car specific features like turn on AC. Now that is exactly what casting does. Casting takes in a generic type and converts it into a specific reference to an object in the world. Now in Unreal, the vehicle is the base class, and the car, bike, and bicycle are the child classes that inherit from it. They all share some common stuff like moving forward, applying brakes, but each child has unique functions, like car has turn on AC. These special functions don't exist in the parent class. Here's the golden rule. A child is its parent, but a parent is not its child. That is why when you have a reference to the base class, you can't directly use child-only features unless you cast. That is why you put in the generic classes in the object bin and it gives out the specific child class if the casting is successful. And the casting will fail if these classes aren't related. Now you might ask, why doesn't Unreal just give me the hard reference to my custom class directly? Think about it. Even if Unreal wants to, how can it magically know about every custom class you create? And it has to keep track of these custom classes at runtime, which would be super slow, especially when hundreds if not thousands of classes are involved in modern games. So Unreal plays it safe. It gives you a generic parent reference. Then if you need child specific features, you cast. So you see, it's really about object-oriented programming and from where classes inherit their functionality from. Initially it might seem confusing, but after a bit of practice it becomes second nature to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you thought this video was valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.